So you need the following: your taffeta, you need your zip cloths, of course you need a tape rule, 6 scissors, you also need a belt, you need a sewing thread, you also need a sewing machine. Okay, you also need a zip head though. Need a zip head for this. So this is the body of the bag. The body, it measures 12 inches 12 inches by 29 inches. Please bear with me, the noise in the background you just need to ignore, please. So it measures 12 by 29 inches. You need just one of this. Just need to cut one of this. So I'm setting it aside. We also need the side of the bag, the side, and it measures 6 inches by 10 inches. 6 inches by 10 inches. And we need 2 of this. We need 2 of this. We also need a zip cloth, and the length of this zip cloth is 14 inches. The length is 14 inches. You just need one of it. So this picture is for a client. I made a bag for somebody, and this is the remaining picture. So that's what I'm using for the purpose of this tutorial. So it's for our clients. So you need this picture. So the next thing to do, or the first thing to do, is to notch, so you can get the middle of this body, the body of the bag. So I'm getting the middle. This is it. This is it. And then from the middle, I'm going to be going up by I'm going to be going up by 5 inches. So I went up by 5 inches from the middle. 5 inches. So this is it. This is it. And you know that after sewing, your picture is going to be like this after sewing. So it's supposed to be like this. So to sew the picture, that's to attach it to the body of the bag. Just need to flip it like this. Just position it along these 5 inches you went up with, and then sew it straight. So I'll do that and show you the next thing to do. So this is what we have after sewing. After sewing, this is what we have. So I'm going to be flipping it to the other side. So this is it. Yeah, good. So the next thing to do is that you just sew everything down to hold it to the main body of the bag. Just to hold it. You can as well skip this process. If you are very good at sewing this bag, you can skip it. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll go on and sew it like this. So this is what we have. I'll go ahead and trim it. Trim the excess out. This is it. So the next thing to do is to come to this point, measure 3 inches, and then mark mark it 3 inches. Come to this point, measure 3 inches, and then mark. After marking, I'll go ahead and place this belt. This belt is about 13 inches. I'll place it like this, and then sew it down, like from here, not up, down, straight, like so. And then I'll show you what we have. So this is what we have after sewing it. And then this is a 1 yard belt. It's a yard. So I'm going to cut it into 2, divide it into 2 like this. Then we'll be using one for this hand, the second one for the other hand. Now this point I marked earlier, this is the point we'll be inserting the hand. We are inserting it like this. See, I'm going to insert it like this, and then like this. Watch it very well. You don't insert it like this, not like this, but instead like this. Then after that, you go ahead and sew the upper part of this belt to seal this hand. I'll do so and show you what we have. So this is it, all done. So everything I did here, I'm going to be repeating it on the other side, apart from, as in, not from the picture, everything I did here. So I'm going to fold it like this, and then locate this belt position. You can see the belt, so I'm locating the position. This is the position. I'll do so in this other side. This is the position. Yes. So I'm going to go ahead and insert my belt, but before then, I'm going to be marking my 3 inches from here to here, 3, and here 3. So I'll go ahead and sew this, and then I will insert my hand and then show you what we have next. So this is what we have, and this is what we have too. So this is the side of the bag. I went ahead to fold it like this, so you can go ahead and do that too. Like I said, it measures 6 by 10 inches. So I folded it like this, like you can see. Okay. So the next thing to do is to notch the down parts of the side. There's it. And then notch to notch. You know, we notched this part initially, so notch to notch, then sew. Okay, so like I was saying, so notch to notch. This is the notch. So I went ahead to start sewing on this side. So when you get here, you put your needle down like this, and then raise your machine up. See the way I'm going to flip it, like this, like this, and then you continue your sewing. So for this other part, I just go ahead and hold it like this. Hold it like this. Just because it's right for me to show you what I did here, because some persons might not know how to go about the same process. So this is it. This is what we have. So I'll go ahead and do same to this other part, and then I'll show you what we have. So this is what we have. This is it. So I actually forgot to put my zip cloth, but at this point I'm still on point. At this point I can actually still put it, so I'll go ahead and put it now, my zip cloth. So easy, but it would have been better, I think easier to put it now that everything is flat. Just sew it straight, and then put on this side too, straight before we even add the picture and start doing the sewing proper. But since I didn't do that then, I'm going to still do it now. It's still not out of place, so let me do it and show you what I have next. So this is it. Go ahead and trim. Just separate it. So this is what we have now. We're almost done. This is what we have. So the next thing to do is to wrap it with this belt, starting from the bottom. I need to wrap it round. You need to hold on and then turn it like this. And fold where it comes in. So that's really how you need to wrap the bag with the belt. Just continue doing it until you get to the starting point again. So let's watch to the top, and then we'll show you what's so see, you need to turn at this point too. See the zip. You can see that the zip, I didn't even tell you. You can see that the zip, I not sew it to the other end. Though I started from the beginning in the other side, but I not sew it to the other end. About 1 inch remaining. So take note of that. I think this is enough for now. So just show you the end products. So this is what we have. After sewing, this is what we have. This is what we have. Beautiful. So the next thing is to insert your zip head. This is it. And then we'll go ahead to cover this rough edge with this So all you need to do is turn like this. Let me trim out the then close it like this. Now go ahead and sew and then show you. So this is all we have. The bag is ready. So what we will do is to just use the leg and bone side of edge, even the joining at the down. And that's it. Please don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to like. And if you are yet to subscribe, please, what are you waiting for? Just hit that button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.